Next month will mark 1 year since that deadly accident here in Renton. An 18-year-old is believed to have been behind the wheel. He now faces 4 felony counts, among other charges. Meanwhile, that accident claimed the life of a mother and 3 young children.
It really comes to home.
Ted Smith, a grieving father, will always remember his daughter like this, in the prime of her life.
Her and her husband had bought a house in the Renton area, 3 children, just, life was great. She loved being a mother, and it just, split second, it's all gone, shattered.
38-year-old Andrea Hudson was driving a minivan with 5 children when they were blindsided by an Audi, one that court records reveal was traveling 112 miles per hour at full throttle without braking.
Out of nowhere, she just got hit by a missile.
Andrea's dad shocked to learn the teen behind the wheel had 3 serious crashes on his record that all involved speeding.
At some point, you just realize you can't change the past. And you've been through the funerals and all the things, and then it's like, is there any way to make this better?
And the prime sponsor, Representative Levitt.
Smith is now the face of newly introduced legislation in Olympia.
First up, we have Theodore Smith.
Specifically, House Bill 1596. If passed into state law, it would allow speed governors in vehicles of people with suspended licenses for excessive speeding or reckless driving. They could control how fast they can drive, something that in this case may have prevented his daughter's death.
It gives me some hope that we're not just waiting for the next crash.
That bill has been introduced in Olympia and is currently in committee. A few other states around the country have experimented with similar programs, though the use of these speed governors as a punitive measure has yet to catch on nationally. In Renton, Sebastian Robertson, King 5 News.
18-year-old Chase Jones pleaded not guilty to multiple charges, including vehicular homicide, vehicular assault, and reckless driving. He was released on $500,000 bail and is currently on electronic home monitoring. He will be back in court next month.